we just continue on, and thanks to the Masked Singer clips. I'll link it down below later. But anyway, let's see the next one. Wow, okay. Miss Cleocatra. Dramatics. Stormy weather with Anna James.
Here we go.
It's exciting.
I know.
Don't know why there's no sun up in the sky.
Wow.
Stormy weather since my man and I ain't together. Keeps raining all the time.
Wow. Yes, Miss Thing. Oh. This is the voice. This thing is killing it. Oh, 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 oh.
The blues walked in and met me. If he stays away, oh, rocking chair will get me. All I do is pray the Lord above will let me walk the sun once more.
Yes, ma'am. This thing is killing it. You better have an Our Souls legend in that costume. Who is this? You have a soul legend in there. Damn! This might be one of the best performances of all time. Wow! I mean, wow! Miss Thing was killing it. That is a soul diva in the Underneath the Mask. I was not expecting this. I have not seen anything of it. I have not watched these clips before I recorded. I want to be a surprise. And I was like, Miss Thing is killing it. I mean, I don't know if they have ever said in the comments who this is. I don't know. But, wow. Miss Thing, you're killing it, Miss Cleopatra. You will go far. Yes. Next one.